Hello everyone, welcome back again with another video. So we are going to talk about Kortana. So what does it means and what is these things? Everything I'm going to share all the information, all the details over this platform. So what does it do and how we can simply sign up Kortana and what it is actually about. So simply we are going to talk about the different things about the billing settings and over the overall Kortana platform. So basically, yeah, this is the partner program of Kortana, means a trading partner program. So simply you need to invest some amount of money over here and start trading, and you can simply start your trading career over here in Kortana platform. So 100% profits here is here. So simply you can visualize all these things. I'm just showing you meet Kortana trade tracker. So what does it mean? So how to trade and how to track your trade. So simply if you invest some amount of money, then you are going to see all these things. And simply if you click on right click on partner program, then you will be redirect to this section. Means there is no any sign up button at the top, but at the downer side, if you click on partner program, then you will redirect to this section. Okay, so full name, please provide your full name and your referral ID. Also, please note that I have provided the referral link in the description box. Please check it out, and referral link and referral ID. So if you follow the referral ID and referral link, you will have some benefits and you have some rewards over there. So please enter your full name and referral ID, then tick on terms and condition. Then after, you will be redirect to this section like Kortana dashboard. So let's delve into it. So how to add the billing method and how to add the payment method. And here at the left side you can simply see dashboard offer. So different things we are going to talk about. Okay, so simply here you can simply see billing details. So what are the things to be considered as while doing while adding the billing details. So billing details means you need to add your legal name. So if you have particular your name in your passport or in your citizenship or your national ID, so that is what your legal name is. Enter your city, postal code, country, bad tax, you can simply add over there. So it's just a very simple easy thing. So before moving towards deposit the some amount of money, you need to finalize these things. Okay, so we are going to just add the payment method over here. So simply tap on payment method and you'll be redirect to this section. So add new payment method. Okay, so simply tap on here, so USD, and you can simply add your crypto wallet address. So simply add your wallet address over there. So after that, if you want to tell something send a note of a note or you want to just save your payment, so simply you can simply select that. So if you tap on offer and then KortanaFX partner program, so simply you will be redirect to this section, and you are if you see in the general, so KortanaFX partner program. So this is a partner program. If you join the partner program, then they have some very good offer for you. So if you want to invest a good amount of money, then so Kortana, a trading platform, is a very good, very you can simply earn more amount of money. So we are not just insisting you to just invest money over here. So make sure that this is a somehow disclaimer for you. So this is just a tutorial video for you. So we are just providing you the information. So we are not just encourage or insist you to just like have some investment over here in Kortana platform. So I'm just showing you all the things like affiliated tracking, so you can simply copy the link and you can simply have, if someone else like sign up or sign in through this link, then you will get like extra reward over there, and the person who click on the sign up or sign in, that person will also have some benefits over there. So they both are eligible to take a partner program here in Kortana platform. So simply you can like tap on get link, then you will be redirected to another section. So here if you see at the left side like dashboard, offers, and like tracking, report, billing. So simply if you tap on like this is a new account, actually I'm just teaching you how to do all these stops. So this is what I am just teaching you. So coupon, so simply like coupon, I don't have any coupon, so for the tracking, so create a new post back like tracking. So if you want like a referral code, so this is what I'm just explaining you. If you like provide some referral link to anyone else, so you can simply track over here, so how many people click on that link, how many people join through that link. So before moving towards this section, we have generated or affiliated like link over there. So simply if they click here, and then all the data will be like saved over here. So this is what actually it's about affiliate trading. You can simply like if you simply say, then this is affiliate trading like that. Okay, so here are the tracking like details. You can simply see it's empty now, but if you save a new like the tracking things, then definitely that will allow you to just see all the overview and data. So if somebody else like if you are doing here in affiliated trading and trading, so simply you'll see the results daily overview. So now it's 0 for now, because I have not done anything worth regarding it in this platform. So simply if you think like you wanna do, simply you can do from here, and you can also see the daily overview over here. So they provide the date and like everything, like the amount of money and each and every details you can simply see. So here is nothing, because if you like just follow the guidance, so simply all the details over here are simply shown over here. So the way I just teach you is likely to be a part. It's very nice for you, because this video is not the much more vast, and this is just an information video that I have already told you. So simply you can see the daily overview, like billing section, each and everything you are I have just teach you like how to sign up, how to join partner program, how affiliate links work. And if you see all these things, so these are just things like dashboard, coupon, tracking. So if you tap on like if you don't like this theme, so just at the last I'm just going to like provide you. If you tap on like that moon and add the dark mode, then definitely you will see these kinds of interface over there. So that's what I have teach you. So here is the affiliated program information. So simply if you wanna just mail them, or if you have any confusion regarding Kortana platform or any trading platform, so about this platform, simply you can mail them at this email address. So so that's all for today. If you like the content, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell over there. We'll be uploading more videos like this. Till then, bye bye and take care. Don't forget to use our referral link.